Hello friends, now we will talk about the common mode gain of MOSFET based differential amplifier. This is the circuit diagram of MOSFET based differential amplifier where we have inputs applied to Q1 and Q2 separately, and for common mode gain both are same. This is incremental input. This VC here is called incremental input. So both input V in 1 and V in 2 are increased by a small increment value of VC equally. Equally means this is increased by VC, this is also increased by VC. That is called incremental change. Fine. So when both inputs, that is V in 1 and V in 2, are increased by the same value, we will say both incremental inputs are same. Both are same. For when we talk about the gain means that is the small signal analysis. When you talk about gain of any amplifier, that means you are talking about the small signal gain of the amplifier. So we have incremental change or incremental change in input signal VC and same change there in this input. So for common mode gain, what do? We separate this resistance by a value equal to 2Rs here, by a value equal to 2Rs here, and since it is at same potential, so both terminals are at the same potential. This is Vs, this is Vss. Fine. That is incremental. It is at the same potential. So I will say it is at the same potential. Fine. So now for small signal analysis, this is replaced by ground. This is 2Rs. So that resistance Rs is split into two equal values, that is 2 RSS. Fine. So for same incremental values, the potential here is not zero like differential mode operation. So that is why we have some potential here, that will be Vs here, that will be Vs here, and we split this resistance Rs into two equal values, that is the parallel combination. So you can replace it by single resistance Rs. Fine. Similarly, for small signal analysis, the biasing source has to be replaced by the ground. So that biasing source here was replaced by ground. Similarly, biasing source here is replaced by ground. So what we have done, just like differential mode operation, we have split this into two equal parts. So for small signal analysis, what do? We replace the MOSFET of the circuit by its small signal model like this. Fine. That's what you have. I will be replacing it by neglecting resistance, that is R0. So this is VGS and that VGS is equal to VC. Fine. So now please see it carefully. This half or every half can be remodified or it can be redrawn like this. I will remove this part for just for simplification purpose. The only change will be that will be replaced by V02 in case of that case, that second part or second half of the circuit. Fine. So this is V01. This is output from drain terminal of Q1 is V01. So this resistance RD is between this terminal and ground. So I can take it like this. We have resistance RD. We have input here like this. And this is V01. This is RD. Fine. And I can remove this resistance. I have redrawn the circuit like this. Fine. Now see it carefully. This current will be coming this way and we go like that via resistance RD. So what will be V01? V01, that is RD multiplied by GM into VGS, right? with minus sign outside. Why? Because current here is coming downwards. This will go upward through this path and come back like this. So this end will be plus, this end will be minus. One current, this current GM into VGS passes through the resistance RD. Right? Now I have to find this voltage VGS. Right? Now this is voltage between this terminal G and S, that is VGS. But what is VC? You can see voltage VC here is, that is this voltage plus drop across this. So that is VGS or VC equal to, you can say, that is, see it carefully please. What is drop here? Drop here is, that is this current multiplied by 2RS. Right? So VC is nothing but, it is not VC here, please make a correction here. VC is equal to voltage VGS, that is this voltage, plus drop across this, and that is nothing but VS, and that is VGS plus drop across this will be what? This current will be passing through this, so that is 2RS resistance multiplied by this current, because that current will be passing through this, so GM into VGS. Now you can see this voltage VGS will be equal to voltage VC divided by 1 plus GM into RS twice. That's it. This is what you have. Now what will be output voltage? V01 will be equal to minus GM into RD divided by 1 plus twice GM into RS, or this can be written like this, minus RD divided by 1 by GM plus twice RS. That's it. This will be expression, this is expression for V01. Since I am taking all values equal, so that will be equal to V02 as well. Why? Because circuit is identical. All signals are identical, so that will be equal to V02 as well. Fine. I have not taken voltage VC here, so that is voltage VC. So the common mode gain for this will be equal to V01 upon VC. That will be same as V02 upon VC, and that will be GM. Here it is, sorry, RD divided by 1 by GM plus twice RS. That's it. Normally, so this is the expression of common mode gain. Normally, what do we have? 1 by GM is much smaller than 2RS. Therefore, this term can be neglected in comparison to this. So you can neglect this. So I will be rewriting it like this. The common mode gain of the amplifier will be equal to V01 upon VC, that is V02 upon VC, and that is equal to RD by twice RS. Please remember one thing, I am taking V01 and V02 separately, V01 and V02 separately. That means I am taking one output at a time, output from one transistor at a time. That is called single-ended output. That is single-ended output. If you take double-ended output, so output will be what? If you take double-ended output, that means V not equal to V0 minus V02, and that V0 will be V01 is this, and that is same as V02, so that will be 0. If output for that is 0, so ECM will be V0 upon VC, and that will be 0. That means that is common mode gain for differential output will be 0, but common mode gain for single-ended output will be RD upon twice RS. You should remember this expression. This is very important because sometimes questions comes like this: how can we reduce the common mode gain of the MOSFET based amplifier? So by increasing by increasing resistance connected in series with the source terminal, that is by increasing resistance RS. Fine. or by decreasing resistance RD. So that is how we can reduce the common mode gain. For any amplifier, the common mode gain should be as small as possible, whereas differential mode gain should be as high as possible. Fine. So this is all about the common mode gain of the differential amplifier. Fine. So here we have skipped one thing. We have neglected one part, that was minus sign here, because it was minus here. So please make a correction. Everywhere there should be a minus sign in the expression of the gain, because we had minus sign here. So when you replace VGS, so it has to be minus. It was minus, it was minus, so there has to be minus sign. Fine. So that is all about the common mode gain of the MOSFET based differential amplifier. I repeat, there can be small theoretical objective type question either in engineering services prelims exam or in GATE exam. So remember these expressions. Thank you very much for watching the video. In next video, I'll be talking about the common mode rejection ratio of differential amplifier.